I'm Chef Vivien Cunha, and I'm here at Lazy Acres Market. I'm here and I'm ready to shop. I have been a chef here for about a year and a half, doing cooking classes on online videos as well. Let's see what I find today for inspiration to create my dishes. I love the seafood section here. The fish always looks amazing and super fresh. The staff members are very friendly and helpful, and I love their recommendations. I do trust them. The fish is always out and looks beautiful. And today I asked him a recommendation for the salmon, and he gave a beautiful piece of fish to me, and he took the skin out, and is always amazing. Wines. Always a good start for a fantastic meal. Today, white wine will be perfect with my salmon. Look at these heirloom tomatoes. They look amazing. Look at the vibrant colors. I'm gonna have that as a side dish for my salmon. I think they will be amazing tomato salad, like a salsa style. So I need some herbs. I'm gonna get some chives. And I want it a little spicy, so I'm gonna get some jalapeno peppers because I love spicy foods. And I need all the herbs. I need cilantro. Cilantro will go great with this salad. Oh, look at these oranges. They look amazing. I'm getting inspired here. I'm gonna add these oranges to my salad, to my tomato salad. Licorice, my favorite treat. I also love popcorn, the cheesy popcorn. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you get inspired next time you cook. Bye-bye, guys.